Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. This is the Moken MacBook Pro docking station. Guys, I tell you what, if you need to add more functionality to your MacBook Pro, this one has the double slotted USB-C plug-in for your ports on your MacBook. I tell you what, guys, you've got, let me show you what you got on this thing. You've got one, two, three, four USB slots. You've got a USB-C slot. You've got two HDMI ports, and you've got a mini SD card slot and an SD card slot here. And let's see, you've got a Ethernet port here also, and you've got a VGA port. Guys, this is this is a beast right here. I tell you what, if you need a docking station for your your MacBook, I tell you, this is it, guys. You can add a lot of functionality to your MacBook Pro. You can add some more storage through your card slots here. I tell you what, guys, this is the docking station to have. You guys make it a great day.